Benjamin, can you talk to Mommy? Hi, Benjamin. Hello, little boy. Oh. What do you have to say to me? What do you have to say to me? Huh? Do you have something to tell me? Are you satisfied? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Are you satisfied? Hmm? Are you a happy guy because you just ate? Are you happy? Hi. Hi. Oh, 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 oh. Hi. Hi. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah? Are you talking to me? Are you talking to Mommy? Ooh. Oh. Uh-huh. So interesting. It's so interesting. Benjamin. Benjamin. Do you need a change? Does Mommy need to change your pants? Yes or no? Yes? Yes? Hey, Mommy, I need a change. Are you shy? Hello, little boy. Oh! You lost some of your milk. Hello, little boy. Hello. Hello. Oh. Mm. Is that so? Here, wipe your face. Wipe your face with your clothes. There we go. There we go. Hmm? Can you give me one more smile? Can you smile for Mommy? Can you smile? Benjamin. Benjamin. Hello. Can you smile one more time? Can you smile one more time? Can you say, I love you, Mommy? Can you smile one more time? Aww. Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, bye-bye. Bye.